this video. It's a goodie. I'm gonna be making a Mexican Mule, which is like a Moscow Mule, but with tequila instead. Slight variation. Super yummy, super refreshing. I'm excited. I love ginger beer. I might get a little litty for this. Somebody's gotta drink these cocktails as I make them. Let's put this baby together. I'm gonna fill the copper mug up about halfway. Then I am going to drop in 2 ounces of tequila. And then we got 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. I think I need a little bit more ice, so I'm gonna add the rest of this ice in here. And then I'm going to top with my ginger beer. So about 4 ounces of ginger beer. Fill it to the top. Use the whole damn thing. Give it a really gentle stir because you don't want to lose the carbonation from the ginger beer, so just be gentle. I sliced up some thinly sliced lime. I like to drop some in the drink as well. I just like the way it looks. And then I also like to put a little garnish on the side. She cute. I do have mint in the backyard, but I don't want to go out there right now because it's dark and scary. But look at her, she's beautiful. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notifications bell. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.